Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss about consumer equilibrium. So before studying about what do you mean by consumer equilibrium, we will first see what do you mean by equilibrium. Equilibrium means a state of rest or a position where there is no change. It is a rest position where there is no change in a position, that is called equilibrium. Then what we mean by consumer equilibrium? Consumer, we understand a person who are the final consume the product or service. So equilibrium and consumer, what it state about? Equilibrium and consumer means a state about a position where the consumer become totally satisfied about what he is consuming at what amount. Stated in a simple way, a situation when a consumer is having maximum satisfaction with limited income and has no tendency to change his way of existing expenditure. Means at a particular amount of expense or expenditure from his income, whatever the consumer is getting it, if he is satisfied, then it is a consumer equilibrium position. Here with the two small equation we stated here about the consumer equilibrium of in case of two case of a commodity. So we have taken a commodity X and commodity Y. In commodity X, we can see that marginal utility of product X equal to P, that is when marginal utility X by price of product X, that is marginal utility of commodity X by price of the commodity X must be equal to marginal utility. Okay, that is marginal must be equal to marginal utility, that is money utilized, MUM, that is it is stated here MUX by PX equals to MUM, means marginal utility of money, means whatever utility we have consumed, marginal utility of product X by price of product X must be equal to marginal utility of money, that is because money is utilized for this. Okay, next again in case of Y, we can see again MUY by PY, marginal utility of product Y by price of product Y must be equal to MUM, that is marginal utility of money. When we equating in both equation 1 and 2, we can see MUX by PX equal to MUY by PY, means MUX by PY by MUY by PY equal to PX by PY, means when price of product X is equal to price of product Y, then the consumer is stated as MUX by equal to MUY, means marginal utility of product X is equal to marginal utility of product Y, because when the price of product X and price of product Y is equal, then both the marginal utility of product X and product Y are equal. Here, and this we can also say a consumer needed to attain an equilibrium is that a marginal utility of commodity must fall as more of it is consumed. Okay, if marginal utility does not fall as consumption increases, if consumption is increased and marginal utility doesn't fall, the consumer will end up in buying only one good. Means if the consumer is focusing only suppose in product X and he is consuming only the product X, then they will finish up in buying only one good, which is unrealistic, and consumer will never reach the equilibrium position. Then the consumer can never reach the equilibrium position because he is consuming only and his entire income in purchasing a product of only X, not the product of Y. Then in that case he cannot reach in a equilibrium position. So we can conclude that a consumer is in consumption of two commodity will be stated in an equilibrium when he spends his limited income in such a way that the ratio of marginal utility of two commodity and their respective price are equal and marginal utility falls when consumption increases. So that's all was about consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity, that is X and Y. Now students and viewers, please do subscribe and like to our channel so that we can able to spread far ahead.